I'm out with Jared in the convertible, but it's raining. We don't have the top down. And we're headed to the range in Anago. Stay tuned. There's Jared getting a soda. Whoa! And we're here. This is what we're doing right now. We're going to the pistol range. Do we gotta flip this thing around?
No, not when we're the only ones.
Huh?
We're the only ones. We don't gotta flip nothing around. Much beyond what this range is, so it kind of makes sense to practice at relatively
Right through your
close.
thumb? Oh! Yeah.
Dead center.
That thing's got a loud kick.
Look at that. Yeah, that was a nice. That was perfect, dude. You're right there, right in that area. A little high, but still, you're in a good group right now, man. Right in the red.
Does it?
Yeah, you're a little low, but still well within kill range. Almost dead center. You're on good. Ah, that's it. Right here.
All yours are going there?
Yeah, you could tell when wood's flying out the back, you know you're hitting the target.
Yeah.
Watch. It's right around it.
Ah, right before it.
Yep. You're on it. You're right on the. Right on it again. If you're shooting, you're hitting it. Nailed it again. Hit. See, I can't tell with that. We got to come up with more targets, is what it is. Oh, that's different. I'm just going to do a fun shoot right here. We're just going to unload everything we got right on that close target. Ready? Go. Shoot. I think we hit it. You want this grass?
Yeah, hold on. The skeet range